Hi, Michael Canales here. We're at Pi World Gothenburg, and I'm speaking to Thomas Delander. You're from the CTO of TrendMiner.
Yes.
Give us the thumbnail of TrendMiner, if you could.
So our mission at TrendMiner is really to empower business users like process experts, process engineers, asset experts, equipment, reliability engineers to get more out of their data by adding advanced analytics capabilities. So we empower them in advanced analytics without assuming that they're fully trained as a data scientist.
Excellent. So like data science basically for people who aren't.
Data scientists without assuming that, say, a process engineer knows how to tune the number of hidden neurons in a neural network, because that wouldn't be a good thing.
Yeah, not very practical. Excellent. Now you're working on a project with OCS. What is that?
So with OCS, we had a long journey with OCS. We actually started with OCS in the beginning days when the project was still incubating at OSI. We did a project with a barbecue smoker that we connected to OCS. It was a fun example to get started. But recently we moved into more serious use cases, and we presented one today on the blowout preventer tests for oil rigs, and a service company that is looking into using OCS as a platform to communicate with the different stakeholders involved and add analytics capabilities as well as integration capabilities on top of the platform. And we're using TrendMiner and web methods and capability within the Software AG group to achieve that on top of OCS.
No, with OCS, are you actually getting data from a bunch of different sources, or is that?
Yeah, so it's the data from the Pi servers, the on-prem Pi servers that are implemented for the different oil rigs. That's basically moved up into the cloud for the analytics work as well as the integration work there.
Now, how's the market look for advanced analytics in industry? I mean, we read about it a lot. You know, all the demand curves are up and to the right, but industry can be somewhat slow moving. I mean, what's the temperature like?
Well, a lot has changed over the last years. I think everybody realizes that it's time to do more with analytics and to actually get those data-driven decisions going in the whole organization. And that matches pretty well with our vision on democratizing analytics and democratizing access to data, and where those two come together. That's where you get those.
And they're a lot more comfortable now with the technology that's out there, right?
They are.
Something new. They've tested it.
They are, absolutely. So I think we're starting to get past the high point where people are really starting to adopt technologies in real use cases and get the real value out of them.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.